everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we've got something exciting to unbox and review. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M2 Pro chip, 1 TB SSD, and 16 GB of RAM. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our tech updates. Now, let's get started. As we slash open the box, you can see the sleek and minimalistic design Apple is known for. Let's carefully unveil the MacBook Pro. Here it is, the MacBook Pro 14-inch. The attention to detail is impeccable. Now, let's power it up and explore its performance. The M3 chip is Apple's latest innovation, promising faster speeds and improved efficiency. But let's see how good the M2 Pro performed. Whether you're a content creator or a professional on the go, the MacBook Pro handles demanding applications with ease. The 1 TB SSD and 16 GB of RAM contribute to a smooth and responsive user experience. Alright, it's been 6 months since I got my hands on this MacBook Pro, and I want to share my thoughts on the long-term experience. The build quality has held up impressively. And the Retina display still amazes me every time I use it.
तो अभी हमने लगाई है 8 घंटे की ये मूवी रेंडर होने के लिए। देखते हैं कितना टाइम लगता है। अभी टाइम हो रहा है 7:05 और सुबह से जो है हमने इसी चार्ज पे चला है, वापस से चार्ज नहीं किया है। अभी तक 19% हुआ है। तो अभी ये रेंडर 13% हो गया है, 728 हो रहा है और अभी जाके मैंने जो है चार्ज पे लगाया है। 12% हो गया था तब लगाया था, अभी जस्ट लगाया है। 9 बज गए और जो है बैटरी फुल हो गया है। अभी भी 69 तक ही पहुंचा है ये। देखते हैं 30 मिनट की वीडियो को रेंडर होने में इसको कितना टाइम लगता है। अभी हो रहा है 6:05 और ये शेयर हो गया है 6:15 तक। पूरा जो है 30 मिनट्स का वीडियो है, शेयर हो गया। Nice.
In terms of battery life, it's been surprisingly robust, easily lasting me through a full day of work. Let's sum it up. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M2 Pro chip, 1 TB SSD, and 16 GB of RAM is a powerhouse. However, it comes at a premium price. If you're invested in the Apple ecosystem and demand top-notch performance, it's a solid investment. And there you have it, the MacBook Pro 14-inch, after 6 months of use. If you own one or are considering it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, this is Shayan Ghoshal signing off. Happy computing.